The Sebo Dart 3 is a revolution in the maintenance of hard floors. The era of time-consuming wet wiping is over. With the help of the ultra-high-speed floor polisher, hard floors can be polished more easily and faster than ever before. With a weight of only 8.4 kilograms and the comfortable handle, it can be carried with ease. Comprehensive preparations are a thing of the past. Just plug it in and see Sebo Dart 3 is ready to go. Your floors will be polished more efficiently than ever before. With a rotation speed of 2,000 rotations per minute and floor pads with a resin-containing micro diamonds, the Sebo Dart 3 creates a superb gloss shine on the floor surface. The Sebo floor pads last for up to 600 operating hours, which equates to an area of up to 10,000 square meters. Therefore, the Sebo Dart 3 is ideally suited to daily maintenance which will keep floors in optimum condition. After polishing, the UHS floor polisher can be stored easily and is ready for the next use. Meanwhile, the wet wiping still continues. With the help of the automatic torque-controlled height adjustment, the Sebo Dart 3 adjusts itself immediately to the optimum setting. Not only does this give the best results, but it also reduces wear on the floor pads. The Sebo Dart 3 can be used on different hard floors. It gives excellent results on PVC and acrylic, as well as on wooden floors. Even natural stone like marble or granite can be polished effortlessly with the Sebo Dart 3. The flex neck makes the Sebo Dart 3 incredibly maneuverable and able to change direction instantly. With a working width of 30 centimeters and low friction casters, it moves easily and can be steered around obstacles with minimal effort. Therefore, the Sebo Dart 3 is eminently suited for the maintenance of small and furnished areas. The Sebo Dart 3 comes with high-quality Sebo S-Class filtration as standard. The 3 stages of filtration meet the requirements of asthma and allergy sufferers. The Sebo Dart 3 is part of the modular Sebo Dart range. In an instant, the Sebo Dart 3 can be converted into an upright vacuum cleaner. With the Sebo ET Powerhead, carpets can be efficiently maintained as well. 31 centimeters and 37 centimeters widths are available to suit your requirements. The Sebo Combi is suitable for carpet and hard floor. The final comparison shows the Sebo Dart 3 leaves behind a high-gloss, well-maintained hard floor. For hard floors with a scratched surface, Sebo recommend the use of the Sibo Restoration Set. The red and yellow Sebo floor pads are for restoring a gloss finish to worn floors. The red pad is used for the first stage of the process, and the yellow pad is used for the second intermediate stage, before finishing with the green pad. The green Sebo floor pad is recommended for daily maintenance and will maintain a high gloss finish on floors with a hard surface.